Have you ever stared at a dense regulatory text like GDPR or an ISO standards and wondered, where do I even begin? Think of these mandates as a blueprint written in foreign language. Before you can build, you first need to translate. The most common point of failure for any governance program is a weak foundation. Teams struggle to break down complex cybersecurity and privacy mandates into policy clauses that are actually clear and actionable. In this foundational module, we solve that problem. We'll give you the structure templates and alignment techniques to convert those complex requirements into policies that perfectly reflect your organization's goals and structure. Welcome to Module 1, Plan. Translate regulatory mandates into policy clauses. In this module, we'll establish the blueprint for your entire information security management system, ensuring every action you take is aligned with a strategic business purpose. In this module, you will learn how to identify policy goals that tie directly to business strategy, define your ISMS scope, setting clear boundaries and documentation hierarchies, draft core policies using AI-assisted templates, and secure leadership buy-in from the start. We'll work hands-on with powerful tools including Google Gemini and M365 Word Copilot for researching and drafting policy clauses. Click up to structure stakeholder engagement and governance roles. By completing this module, you will be equipped to evaluate your organization's unique risks, define clear ISMS scope, map initial controls to form a strong governance foundation. Building a successful governance program starts with a solid plan. Let's get started and lay that foundation together.